So my question to you is, what new skills have you learned in the last 12 months? Hi, my name is Mike Pettigrew. I'm a best-selling author and a serial entrepreneur since 1987. And I help ordinary people achieve extraordinary goals, but probably not in the way you might think. So what new skills have you developed in the last 12 months? A lot of people can't answer that, and they claim that they haven't learned anything new. Well, I honestly believe it's not possible to go through life a single day without learning something. We are learning all the time, but we're at an age now, we are at an age in history where we have got to improve our skills. We've got to upskill ourselves all of the time. Otherwise we could be left behind, because you know what? What worked before does not necessarily work anymore. We're in a completely new age. Society is transforming at an incredibly fast rate, and it's very easy to get left very, very far behind. And the sad fact is that 95% of people at retirement age are broke. They are broke. Retirement is supposedly the time when you get to do all the things that you wanted to do, but never got the opportunity or had the money to. But you know, the sad reality is that most people get to retirement age and they're just barely above the poverty line. This is so sad. But you know what? If you study the lives of the most successful, influential people in the world, you'll find that they are great studiers. They constantly update their skills. They constantly learn new stuff. They are prolific readers. They're always reading. And this is so important. Self-education is actually the best form of education. And today, more than ever before, websites like udemy.com, they're serving an amazing purpose, It really, honestly, today, it's possible to learn a new career, certainly within 6 months to 12 months. Many, many new careers can be learned in that short period of time, because online education is just amazing. It's so cheap, and you can learn from the greatest educators in the world, the greatest teachers in the world, for next to nothing. So you know, whatever new career you want to move into, it's just there waiting for you. You just need to study. And you know, when you hear the word study, most people shudder with horror. But the great thing about online learning is that you watch videos. You watch videos where things are taught to you, which is just like having somebody sit beside you, take you by the hand and show you how to do things. You're not studying boring textbooks or anything like that. And you know what? As I said a moment ago, we're at an age where we have got to upskill ourselves, because you know what? In the next few years, robotics and artificial intelligence is going to have a huge effect on the world. It will free up so many people from the laboriousness of manual work, but it'll also take most jobs and employment where anything is repeatable. Even lawyers, and in some cases doctors, can be replaced with artificial intelligence. It's a scary new world, and you know, the road ahead is bumpy employment-wise for a lot of people, but it's the beginnings, I believe, of an age where humanity can really explore life and what it means to be human. Why are we here? Instead of having to work like lunatics just to put bread on the table. So, but this will take time for this, you might say, new age, new society, new way of experiencing life to appear. There will be bumps in the road. That's why it's so important to upskill yourself right now. And a really wonderful thing is that there has been no time in society up until this point where there has been so much opportunity for self-employment, to work from home. This is an amazing shift in the way business is done. It is now possible for virtually anyone to work from home with new skills that you learn on websites like udemy.com. So this can be a very freeing and liberating time for you if you're willing to learn new skills, or it can be doors closing one by one by one. The choice is yours. So I would invite you to visit online learning websites and start upskilling yourself. because then you make yourself indispensable to your employer or your future employer. But if you're not upskilling yourself and you're just relying on what you learned in the past, opportunities may not be great ahead. And as Albert Einstein once said, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. We need to do things differently now. We are in a different age. I hope this has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are ready to get to your next level of success, abundance, freedom, and wealth, and start upskilling yourself, download my free report and audiobook, How to Achieve Anything 10 Times Faster. And you can get it for free at achievegoalsfast.com. That's www.achievegoalsfast.com. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to speaking with you again very soon. Bye-bye.